Let me ask Mr. Sharma first. Mr. Sharma, this has been an extremely unpopular case to take up. You're already saying that you're getting threatening phone calls. What decided to make you volunteer to do this?
I am an advocate. I entered in this practice knowingly well that India have in our country a constitutional judicial system. That means we are not having the forest law. If you find someone guilty, finally, conclusively, shoot him. The moment you make the allegations, you have no right even to touch him. Bail is the principle to put person behind the bar, so he should not abscond only. That's all. That is also not punishment. So till a person is not the proof as a accused by way of the evidence whatever is raised against him, you cannot say he is accused.
Therefore,
allegation is something different.
They have a right to a fair trial and a fair defense is the reason that has made you take this up.
Fair trial is required for each and every person, because in IPC and in the world there is no crime. Forget about the rape. Other than you tell me which action whom I say that this is a crime is not a crime. Murder is also crime. Dacoity is also crime. Sometimes theft also is a crime. If you theft 100 rupees from a person who is not having a single penny other than 100 rupees, he can suicide also. That is also biggest crime. Crime definition is too much different. Rape is also come in the similar matters. But question is not over here that what punishment should be for a rape.
Question
I am not here. I am here.
Lawyers have a duty to defend accused no matter how grave the crime is.
No, question is not to defend. Sorry. This word, defend word is totally wrong.
To represent.
Lawyer means the court officers. The Lahore High Court say, full bench, that an advocate is a court officer. It's a duty of the advocate to bring the truth before the court to reach up to a conclusion of the truth. And once truth is established, then according to that, the gravity of the action is to be decided.
Okay. So you clearly feel that you are doing a duty and undertaking an important responsibility. Mr. Rajpal Kasana, what is the primary reason that the Saket Bar Association has said that these men should not be defended? You are, after all, professional lawyers, and everyone does have a right to a defense. Why is this case an exception?
There is a reason behind it. Are you hearing me?
Yes, Mr. Kasana, go ahead.
There is a reason behind it. It's a very crucial things have been happened, and that members of the bar have made a request to me. There's in this case no lawyers from the Saket court will appear as a defense counsel, but they may take a suitable lawyers from the other courts or from the legal aid. There is a panel of the legal aid advocates they can have. What was the need to go voluntarily that I want to defend this case? We have not stopped anyone. We have made a request to the lawyers and we have made an appeal to the lawyers or members that they should not defend this case.
लेकिन कसाना जी, आप खुद एक प्रोफेशनल लॉयर है, क्या आपको लगता है दैट एज अ प्रोफेशनल लॉयर आपको ये अपील करनी चाहिए कि हम डिफेंड नहीं करेंगे, कि आपका तो ड्यूटी है, आपका प्रोफेशन ही है कि आप डिफेंड करेंगे नो मैटर हु द अक्यूज्ड इज? तो आपको क्या लगता है, इज इट एथिकल एज अ लॉयर फॉर यू टू से दैट हम नहीं डिफेंड करेंगे?
Because there are emotional sentiments of the members. They have come forward that we will not defend, and we have made this resolution that in this case the lawyers from the Saket bar will not defend.
But Rahul
and
Mehra,
the accused is having right to have that lawyers from the legal aid.
We had this
we can
debate.
have a suitable lawyers from the legal aid,
but
from other bars, or
should this be guided by emotion
panel.
or by jurisprudence or what?
I personally believe, each one to themselves. At the end of the day, none of these individuals, including me, are state counsel out here, right? If we are governed by the government of India, then we have to do what the government of India wants us to do, which is the public prosecutor. These are defense counsel. They have to go by their conscience because, before being a lawyer, you're a human being first. But having said that, I personally believe that, you can't condemn a man no matter how gruesome that act might have been. before a trial. And it would only be a victory of our judicial system if we give them the best of lawyers. I would in fact go to the other extreme and say, provide them the best of lawyers who should come pro bono, defend them, and let the state prove its case beyond reasonable doubt and hang them.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.